Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable read receipts in the X mobile app. Whether you want more privacy or just don't want others to know when you've seen their messages, this quick tutorial will help you turn off read receipts easily. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Then select Settings and Support from the menu that appears. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Then, tap on Direct Messages. Finally, scroll down until you find the option labeled Send Read Receipts. To disable it, simply turn off the toggle switch next to it. By completing these steps, your read receipts will no longer be sent, giving you more control over your messaging privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more easy tech tips. Stay safe and enjoy your privacy on X.